What's up? We about to get lit and turn up cause my hair is curly and it's popping and I barely did anything to it. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Nicole and today I'm back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be on this hair review right here. Listen, okay, I'm trying to work with the browns and the blondish colors. Listen, if you want to see my review on this hair, make sure you keep on watching. Okay.
Sauce on a nigga, full flex. White gold, diamond really ranch dress. Saute in the coupe, smoking veggies.
Alright, so first and foremost, this is Beauty Forever hair. Not my first time working with them. Listen, if you want some curly hair, get some Beauty Forever hair. If you don't believe me, listen, go on my other videos. I literally have like, I think 2 other videos using Beauty Forever hair. Like, it's not a joke. So the specific specs on the hair that I'm wearing today, it is their Malaysian curly, I believe, in the lengths 22, 24, I don't know why I did that, 22, 24, and 26 with an 18-inch closure. Yeah, so I have that. I thought they gave me a 20-inch closure, but this is what it's looking like. And it being curly, this is how long it comes down, and obviously stretched it's longer. Let me know if you want me to do a video of straightening this hair. In other words, let me know if you want me to do a video of Kaylee straightening this hair, because you know, Kaylee's straightener is better and I don't have the patience, and she's standing right there, so it is what it is. Okay, so basically I bleached this hair. I have a video on it. It'll be linked down below, and it did not lose its curl pattern, and that's because, I mean, I didn't really go so heavy with the bleach, but the curl pattern is literally here. Kay, where's your wig? So this wig right here is Beauty Forever hair that I gave to Kay, and this is how it looked with I mean, she dyed it black, but as you can see, the curls are still here. How many months have you had this? Since like November. Since November, and we are now in April, so this is it right here. I mean, obviously curly hair is high maintenance, you know. It still looks good though, like it looks natural. Like it doesn't look as new as this, but it still looks like a natural, nice curly wig. Okay, so as far as that's what we have going on. I love this because I hate curly hair. Like, I hate it on me. I feel like I just look like, I don't know, I just don't like it on me. But this kind of made me like it more a little bit. Let me know if you think I should go a little bit lighter, because we have like different tones of brown in here, but I wanted to get like blonde, like, you know, a golden blonde. Let me know what you guys think. I really like the curl pattern, like how it looks with the color. I feel like that's making me like it more, and I could only imagine how it looks like when I like brush it out a little bit, like give me more volume and stuff. But right now I have no product in it. Like, this is just how it air dried. Maybe I should add some layers into it so it's not just one stark, so it could just be like, I don't know, let me know. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. There's not much for me to say. Definitely check out the dye video though, just so you can see how I did it. Kaylee even saw me do it. I just really did it sporadically and randomly. This is literally what my hands were doing to the hair. Alright, so yeah, thank you Beauty Forever hair for sending me this. Thank you for working with me. Thank you guys for watching. But if you definitely, like, this is my 3rd time working with them. Like, trust me when I tell you, like, if you want some nice curly hair, Beauty Forever, okay?